Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, our channel where we do tutorial videos on online and offline earning opportunities. In this video, I want to reintroduce you to the Powerlife Global Opportunity once again. I've done a number of videos on the opportunity and it looks like some people are doubting it, but I want to show you proof of earnings and then the possibility for you to join and also make money whilst we are waiting for our almighty CHY mall to come back, and then we'll see whether we can still be in business with our CHY mall. But I don't think with the current happenings, you need to fold your hands and just sit down and earning nothing with all your earnings paying loans and then your earnings going to consumption points which you cannot withdraw. If you have some small money, you can start some side hustle. That's why we have multiple streams of income. So you don't put all your eggs in one basket, such that when that basket falls, all your eggs will be broken. But you have to diversify your investment and then your business opportunities. And then once something happens to one earning and then there is a hold, you can still be earning something from somewhere else. So come with me and let's go into Power Life Global. So this is the back office, and if you are in any of these countries, it means there is a physical presence of this company in your country. Power Life is a nutraceutical company from Malaysia, and they are into nutritional products. They have five products currently: Pro Detox, Protect, Pro Cell, and two other products, very powerful products, which you can use for yourself, very beneficial. I've used them, or which you can sell. So once you register, you get products worth your registration amount, which you can sell and get your money back immediately. And then to be in business, you just need to refer two people and you are good to go. You can start your business. All right, so if you're in any of these countries, I want to just invite you specially to come and give Power Life a try. You don't need to be my downline, you don't need to be my team member, except you are in Ghana or you are in Nigeria close by. But any of these countries you are in, you can join Power Life. It means there is a physical office or presence of the company in your country. So if you are in Malaysia, Bangladesh, Uganda, Ghana, Zambia, Kenya, Tanzania, Nigeria, South Africa, Malawi, Botswana, Congo Kinshasa, Liberia, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Canada, Namibia, United Kingdom, then Madagascar, and then our international brothers. If physically the company is not in your country yet, has a physical office, you can still join. So, but if you are in any of these countries so far, it means there is a physical presence, there is a physical office in your country. Look for where the office is, look for where they are, and then you can join. The good thing is with $100, you can join, you can start a little and then get two people with the same amount to join you. You could be in business, and by midnight, you could be earning some cash. All right, so with just a little as $100, you can start. Or if you want to go big, you can go to the manager package, which costs $500, or you can go for the ultimate, which is the power package, and then you could be making serious money. So Power Life is real, it's paying, and I just want to show you just yesterday, just got two people registered yet just yesterday alone, and you can see in my account back office that at least some $121 cool. So you could be sitting down folding your hands and then you are waiting for manna to fall from heaven. Manna stopped falling since the children of Israel entered the promised land. Manna ceased falling. So manna is not falling. Anything you have to do, you have to make an effort. And you see, the thing that interests me is many people say, is it referral based? I can't refer, I can't talk to anybody. But you see, I feel funny when I see people share funny videos on WhatsApp and convince their friends to watch. You visited maybe some food joint somewhere, the food was very nice. You were able to convince your friends to go and see the joint, and then later on they went on their own. You could convince your friend to go buy food at a joint, but you claim it's impossible or difficult for you to refer somebody or to share a business opportunity. with somebody that can change their life or turn their life around. I think it's irresponsibility on the part of anybody who just gives an excuse because you haven't spoken to anybody and the person rejected it, and you just give it as an excuse, and so you sit down and do nothing. Maybe somebody is also sitting somewhere and looking for opportunity. There are people who are always asking about, do you know of any other opportunity like Chimo that I can join and beyond? I said, well, there are opportunities, but you have to refer one or two people in order to earn money. If you are just looking for any of these opportunities where you don't need to refer, yes, they are there, but it means you have to do a lot of work and you have to put in a lot of your personal money. That is where sometimes the difficulties come in when some of these technical hitches come up. But look at Powerlife Global, for instance. With $100 like this, you could start a business. And $100 in Ghana cedis, if you convert it, it's just like 600 Ghana cedis. Okay, so you just get a VIP package with 600. You refer two friends also with 600. I believe an average person should be able to come out with 600 Ghana cedis or $100 if you're in any other country. Convert it to your local currency, and then get two colleagues of yours, and they also get their two people. And before you realize, you are into serious business. So you can see there like that. So you have 700 PVs left here. Anytime another PV jumps in here, that is money you are going to earn like that. So this is just yesterday's earning. I'm showing you just two referrals I did yesterday, one VIP and then one manager pro package. The manager package costs $500. The VIP package costs $100. And then by midnight, you see it $121 drops in there. And you see, so if let's say your package is VIP, it means with this 121, the 100 pays for the VIP package you registered with. Apart from the products you get, which you will sell. The product is $50 and you can sell your two products and get your 600. And then just referring two people, you have made this amount and then that pays you, and it means you are in profit already. So I don't see the difficulty here for anybody to be given excuse that I can't get people, I can't get. No, there are people out there who are holding at least $100 and looking for how to use that money to do business and to make profit out of it. And so talk to your colleagues, talk to your friends, talk to your family members, talk to your siblings, and then team up and then start. If you are in Ghana, just get in touch, look for 600 and then start. Get two friends who can also get 600 to join you and tell them this opportunity is great. It's a binary system. So you once you get the two people under you, you feel your legs, your uplines are referring, and then you get spillover on the group leg. And then, if you are fortunate to be on the group leg, it means you can be getting free downlines on one leg for free, and then you just be building the other personal leg, and then you could be earning money every other day. So I'm inviting you to Power Life Global Opportunity and come and let us see whether we can make something whilst we are waiting to recover our fortune in CHY. How long it takes, only God knows. We finish paying our loans, whether our consumption points will ever return to CHY points again, like they promised that after 20 trades it will. But whilst we are waiting for how long it takes, let's be doing something on the side so that we can earn some side hustle. So this is just a little update I want to bring to you on Power Life. I've done a number of videos on the details of the packages, the products and everything. So just go to the channel and then watch those videos on Power Life Global products and then the business opportunity. There are 9 ways through which you can make money. Just watch that video and then you can be on your way. So if you are in Ghana especially, and then at least you can afford some $100 or 600 Ghana cedis, just leave me a comment if you are interested in joining you. I can help you sign up, talk to two friends, let them raise some 600 Ghana cedis each, and then you refer them. They also get two people each and tell them with this thing, it's a teamwork. We build it together and then you don't need to work alone. So put in the effort, get your two people to qualify to open you for the binary so that you see qualifier, pairing qualifier. That's once you get your two legs occupied, it means you are open for the pairing. So you begin to earn your referral commission and then your pairing bonus and then the other bonuses that are there. There are 9 ways you can make money with Powerlife. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We are always posting educative videos on how to earn and many others. I've just started a new channel on how to create and manage YouTube channels until one day you can monetize your YouTube channel. And so you can join, started doing some videos there to educate you, to teach you how to become a professional YouTuber, and then you can create a channel, how to qualify for monetizing your channel, etc. Remember, if you're interested, you can subscribe to that channel and learn as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.